Hello and welcome to my channel, Making Crafts, and I am back with this boho journal, and I started it back in May, which is hard to believe, and it's been such a long time. Now, I did finish this in July, but I didn't get a chance to show it to you all, and I was going to show you the finishing process of it, of adding the things, but most of it was fairly simple, and what happened was my camera stopped working. It cut off in the middle of the process, and I couldn't get it to work, so I just finished the journal and figured I would give you a flip through of it. Now, if you have any questions on anything that I added or how I added it, just ask below, and I can show you in another journal how to do that, because it would be very simple to show you how to, add something to another journal. When I'm doing it, I can just include that into the journal if you have any questions. So feel free to ask below. So this is the cover, and I've changed it a bit from the last time you saw it. The last time you saw it just had this flower on it, but I decided to add this doily, kind of leave the edges loose, but it's glued down in the center. And then this is the back. So this style journal is kind of new to me, but I thought I just went with what I thought a boho style journal should look like. So I'll give you a quick flip through of it. Since it's been so long, I may not even remember what all is in it myself. So we have here, one of the first things we created was this passport. And so I have it, and it could be a good little journaling book or add photos to. And then I've just included the bingo card from the kit in here as well. And then we have this flip out we made together. So this is the luggage tag freebie that we made together, and I will link below to the playlist for all of these videos if you're interested in how I made any of these or what I used to make them. So this kit that I did use was from Linedotarrow and NonstopPapercrafts, and I will link to the kits below as well. So for the first page, we made these pockets together in another video, and like I said, it'll be on the playlist. So this is a vellum pocket, and I've just added one of the tags to the pocket, and I added the pocket right in the middle of this page. And so then this is a flip out, like I said, the luggage tag. You have your card here for your name and address, and then you have your little journaling card here. So then for the next page, it's kind of plain. It just has the little bit of blue here from the flip out. I've sewed onto this memo paper, and I have left this fairly plain so that whoever gets it has room to add photos or journaling or whatever they want to add to it, even more embellishments if they want. And I did just put one of the little tags here, and this is another one of the vellum pockets that we made. And I thought it'd be really cute to have two pictures, maybe if you had of your children or something, or of your pets, and have two little pictures here. I think that'd be cute. And I've also added a lot of different little tabs using lace and fabric, and I did that in the video as well. So I won't explain how I did anything since it's in those videos. Here's another pocket that I created. It was from a journaling card in the kit. And then I've just added some tags and journaling cards. And some of the journaling cards are from the kit, like some of this is from the kit, and then this would be from a paper pack that I have that I thought went well with it. And there's the stencil pages the pages that I stenciled and stamped. I really love how they look with the actual digitals. And then here's another tab that I made, another journaling card from a paper pack that I had. This is the postcard we made in a video where I showed you in a video that I'd sewed around. I decided to make a pocket on one side of the page, and then on the other it has a pocket on it that I've just stapled on, but it also is a flip out for a journaling spot. And this paper's just gorgeous. A lot of it I did not want to cover up. So then here's another one of the tabs that we made in another video. Another piece of memo paper that's just been sewn a little. I also made this little flip out here. It's just journaling card from or a little decoration from the kit, and then a piece of scrapbook paper, and it's just another journaling spot. And then I've added just a little clip to it, and then here's more of the stamping and stenciling that I did. Here is the pocket, and I don't know why it's out. Oh, it was supposed to be hooked here. I unhooked it. So this is a pocket that I made following a video from Gail Augustinelli, and I was inspired by that. I think I created mine a little wrong. I added this pocket in here. I think I was supposed to trim that off, but I still liked how it turned out, so I just left it and didn't change it. And so I've just got a few embellishments and tags and things inside of there. And I'm just clipping it on here on the other side where we have this clipped here. I just clipped it on the other side. I did add this embellishment here. These are just some fussy cuts from the kit, and then just a piece of muslin. I stamped this piece of muslin with a boho stamp set that I had feathers and different boho things in it, and so I stamped that. It says Catch Your Dream. I've added just a little butterfly, And then some of the scrap paper left over I made into a notepad. And I'm adding little embellishments into pockets and things like this so that whoever gets the journal can use those to embellish their journal. I want to have it so that I'm hoping that whoever gets it will really use it, embellish it, decorate it up, collage in it, write in it, whatever they want to do, or add photos. But I really hope that they will use it. So I am going to be putting this one in my Etsy shop, so I will link that below as well. Here is another thing that we made in another video, and I love how it turned out. And then I just added it as an interactive to the pocket. And then in the pocket I just have a basic little journaling card from the kit, or it may just be a piece of paper from the kit that I turned into a journaling card. And I love this paper from this page from the kit, and I went ahead and printed it on some paper that's different texture, and so I love how it feels. So here's more pages from the kit, and then here's another pocket with some more journaling cards in it, and I've just embellished it with a journaling card. Here is the flip out tag that we made together, and so I've just got tags in the pockets and a journaling card in the pocket. And so there we have, you've got this side as well that you can decorate or put pictures on. Another page that I stenciled and stamped, another tab, more paper that I added. I really love how these turned out. And if you're interested in all the different layers that's on here, just check out that video. I do have a video explaining what it is. Here's some paper that has texture to it. It's like a handmade paper. It was given to me. And then here's another little flip up that I made, just a little journaling flip up that you could journal or add, you know, a photo to. And then I've just punched the bottom for that design. Then I've embellished this pocket here. And more journaling cards and the envelope from the kit. I've just added to this pocket. I've got more tabs. A lot of the pages I have left so that you can do things on those. Here is a page that I've stamped up and stenciled. I love how that turned out. Another one of the pages that I stamped and stenciled. And so back to the end of our book. Now the first page of the book is cardstock, so of course the last page is cardstock as well. I've also just added this. This was made a little while back in one of Roxy's weekly challenges, maybe a year or two ago. And so it's just leftover scrap papers from kits and things, but I thought it went well with this, so I decided to add it to the pocket in here so that whoever gets it could use it in collage or whatever they wanted to in the journal. So I hope that you have enjoyed seeing this journal be put together. I know it's took me a long time to get through this journal. For some reason this year, it's taking me forever to complete journals. I do not know why, but I have several started that I need to complete, and I'm hoping to do that soon. But this one will be in my shop, and I will link below to it. I'll also link below to the kits I used, and I will put a playlist so you can see all the different freebies that came with this kit, because I think they're still available, and you could see the projects that I made with the freebies as well. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.